In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort videos in the Vimeo library. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reorder your view so you can quickly find the videos you need, whether you're tracking recent uploads or browsing by title. First, head over to Vimeo. If you're already there, perfect. We're keeping this simple and focused, so all you need is the main dashboard where your content lives. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click on Library. This is where all your videos are collected in one place. Once the library page loads, move your attention to the upper right corner of the grid or list view. You'll see a control that either says Sort or shows the current sorting method, such as last modified. Go ahead and click that. This opens a menu of sorting options that instantly change the order of the videos on the page. Here's what each option does, so you can pick the one that fits your workflow. Last added shows the most recently uploaded videos first, which is great if you just uploaded something and want to grab it right away. First added flips that around, placing your earliest uploads at the top for a chronological look back. Last modified surfaces videos you've most recently edited or updated, which is handy when you're actively working on a project and need your latest tweaks front and center. First modified shows the least recently edited at the top, useful for revisiting older items you may have ignored for a while. Title A to Z organizes by name alphabetically, making it easy to scan through projects if you use consistent naming conventions. Title Z to A reverses that order, which can be helpful if your titles include dates or versioning at the end. Choose the option that matches what you want to see right now, and the page will instantly refresh to reflect that order. That's it. You're done. Your videos haven't moved or changed. You've simply changed how they're displayed. This is a quick way to stay organized without renaming files or reshuffling folders. If the sort label changes to the option you selected, that's a good confirmation you're viewing the correct order. And remember, you can switch between these options as often as you like. When your needs change, maybe you're hopping from a new upload to a long-term archive, just click the sort control again and pick a different view. That's all there is to it. Go to Vimeo, open your library, choose the sort menu, and select the order that helps you work faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.